Now I will introduce you how to adjust the machine, so you can use different heater cans. As you can see, there are two different heater cans. Now it is suitable to this can. This can hit, but now we need to adjust it so it can suitable to this can. We need to adjust this part, the positioning block. We use this wire to adjust it. First, we need to lose the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 screws. Just lose it, no need to take it away. And now rotating the wheel. As you can see, it is rising now. Okay, then we need to lock the screws. The 4 screws. Okay, because you have different can size, you need to change 3 parts of the moves. First, second, and third. The same tracks. First, you need to dismantle this part. So, to lose the screws of this part, then this part will be dismantled. Second, you need to dismantle this part through these screws, and then you need to change the seven tracks, different seven tracks, and you also need to adjust the seven rollers.
看不到了，没事，大概就说一下。
Okay, then you need to put this whole part, and this well. Finally, you need to change the bottle clip. To change the bottle clip moves.
你要调整的系统参数就好了。
And you need to use the touch screen to adjust the system parameters.